Professional, Paintless Dent Removal Corporation. We take great pride in our work. Please check out some of our before and after examples shown here. We really do enjoy removing dents from all kinds of vehicles. Another thing we really enjoy is seeing the look on our customer's face when they can't find the dent anymore. Our specialties include small dents, large dents, hail damage, door dings, and even motorcycle PDR. Whether the vehicle damage is large or small, we always give free estimates. We offer mobile services in many areas west of Chicago. Please visit our website at chicagopdr.com. Follow us online or call us today at 773-370-7801.